friends, good morning! From Maui! Maui! Today, Maui is not feeling well. Yesterday, di ba, birthday ng papa ko, and we had chicken joy and lechon, and we gave him chicken joy and lechon, guys. And today, oh, kaluoy, so sad. Masakit yung tiyan niya. He was throwing up, and also he has diarrhea. So, I gave him his food. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. His food. Where is his food? Hindi ko makita. That. His food. I gave him his food today, but he doesn't want to eat because yun nga, masakit yung tiyan niya siguro, guys, kasi he has diarrhea. He has a lot of poop this morning, and he is also throwing up. So, yun. It's been like I usually not give Maui bones and too much and fats on like pork, like chicken, or okay lang, hindi din okay kasi nga maselan yung stomach ni Maui because and every time na kumakain siya ng bones, yung mga ganyan. I've read and I've seen a lot of videos on towards giving dogs bones or something, and nakakasira ng stomach nila. And with Maui, yun nga, masalan yung stomach niya, hindi siya pwedeng kumain ng bones, especially small bones. Hindi naman talaga ako nagbibigay. Yung kahapon medyo malaking bones naman yung binigay kasi nga if one trainer said na if you wanna give your dog's bone, dapat yung malaki, yung something na hindi nila masaswallow agad, they have to chew on it and hindi makakaano sa stomach nila. Ewan ko, si Rookie yung nagbigay kahapon eh. So yun, and now Maui is not feeling well. Yan. Uy, kaluoy ano akong Maui. Can you see, guys, diba? He is not so into playing. Maui. Maui. I gave him water, guys, and he drank water, and now he's trying to bite my hands. Maui. A little better compared kanina kasi ayaw talaga niya. He just wants me to pet him and yun yung matulog. And now, he's a little playing. Maui. So, friends, it's breakfast time. Pero, 12 na. Oh my gosh. So, magbe-breakfast muna ako because I don't want to eat lunch. I just wanted to eat breakfast muna. And our breakfast for today. Yung breakfast natin, guys. I know I said na I don't want to eat sweet, but I cannot resist it. This is the leftover cake from yesterday, and I'm going to also eat bread, ubi loaf, dairy cream, puto, and of course coffee. And then we have banana over there. So, kain tayo, guys! Awi! Nalagi ka tutulod. Oy, kaluoy Miguel.
Tumban sa
Awi and Rookie. Awi and Rookie. And Baba. Awi. Mo. Hello, bruh. Miguel cannot come out. But he really wants to come out.
Relax lang bra.
Good morning, te.
Morning. 1 naman. 1
Oh,
p.m.
1 p.m. na day. Morning ba?
Relax lang
Good
bro.
afternoon.
Grabe, kuya, breakfast si Baba. Okay, basta siya ay cake.
Breakfast
Wow,
na.
nail polish. And Ate is drinking coffee. What?
Ligre kayo mag. Kung saan lang
What?
Ew.
So, we are planning to go to church today. Sana, but I also have a diarrhea, guys, from yesterday because I ate a lot. And yeah, I'm actually ready na. Si Baba na lang yung wala ligo. Ug si that monkey over there. Si ate is already done taking a shower. But I don't know. Medyo I feel weird. Yeah. Di ko lang. Let's see if makakapunta kami ng church. Well, we are planning to go to West Town Lagoon or have a swimming before the school starts. Huh? We go now no? Huh? Wow, now na, but I'm not feeling well, girls. Baka ako sa... I feel so weird today. I'm not genki. What's genki? I'm not... Huh? Bukas na daw. Bukas na daw yung gusto ni Baba. Mag-swimming. Ate is cooking. No! What are you... yeah, tempura.
Luto na ni Mama.
You don't know when it's cooked na? Hi, Chip. Ate is cooking. Wala pa na. Uy, more pa. Gahi man na. Di bawa man na ni mag-defrost.
Waman siya nagahi.
Are you sure? Are you for real?
I don't wanna visit Sharon.
Papa, you're popular. Bye. Ba, shower time na ba? Hurry up, please. It's already 1. Shower na. Hi, Miguel. What are you doing, man? You're crazy. Uy. Currently, nandito ako sa sa labas. Sa terrace namin, guys. And it's almost 2 na and I have nothing to do. Masakit ang aking tiyan. And yeah, it's so mahirap. Pero tingnan niyo doon. Parang uulan na doon kasi ang itim ng doon, guys. And dito mainit pa rin. Yeah, it's so hot. Mother and father's not here pala, guys, kasi why? Hi ba? There's Baba. They're not here, nasa cementerio kasi nga birthday din ng ng mama ko. So they visit them sa sa cementerio. Wow, the lighting looks good here. Yeah. And kaya lang in real life mainit siya. Diba? So, I don't know. I'm just really, talking and rambling and I just wanted to be here because dito sa may terrace namin kasi mahangin. Pero I was wrong. I thought it was mahangin here. Pero yung hangin pala nandoon sa sa likod na side. Hindi pala dito. Kasi during like mga ganitong time like June, July, August yata, hangin, habagat ba yung tawag nun? Basta nandun sa loob, nandun sa likod na side. And if it's going to be October, November, December, yung mga ganyan, nandito naman na side yung hangin. And I was hoping na may hangin dito kasi mahangin tingnan doon sa labas. But wala pala dito na area kasi natatabunan siya ng bahay namin, guys. So, yeah, I was bummed. And, wow, there's somebody shouting outside. So, I'm just gonna chill here and I'm gonna see you later. Friends, I'm still on the same spot. Lunchtime na pala. Let's eat lunch na. And our lunch for today, guess what? Ate finish eating lunch na. Nandun na siya sa niya, rocking chair, playing. Unsa na dai? Ross? Ross, what are you playing, ate? Ate is bungol. Oh! Awi! There's Awi at the background. Okay, so we're eating lunch nga, guys. And Baba is already done. Ako na lang yung naiwan. So, I'm gonna show you our lunch. Guess what? Yan yung lunch ko. Rice. Joking. So, yan. Ito yung leftover na Chicken Joy spicy chicken from Chicken Joy? From Jollibee. Spicy Chicken Joy. Tapos may suka because This is my all-time favorite compared to the gravy. Pero pag nasa store, yeah, I eat the gravy. But if I'm at home, I pair it with the suka and soy sauce. And there is also tempura kasi nagluto si ate ng tempura and I still have coffee. I cannot. I need to have my coffee, guys. So, yan. Kain! Hi, guys. Hapon na and it looks a little dark already because it's raining. Finally, muulan na. I don't know if you could see outside, but medyo maulan at mahangin na. I think there will be typhoon tomorrow. Typhoon Maria tomorrow, Monday. So, that's why ganito yung panahon. Kaninang umaga, it was so sunny and hot, but ang dilim-dilim na. It's still 4 p.m. pala. But it's so dark and rainy and mahangin. I don't know if you could hear me. I'm going to get Miguel outside to play with Maui, but it started to rain, di ba? Oh, mahangin na, guys. So, I don't know if you can hear me, but I really love the rain. I was hoping for it to rain para mawala naman yung init, but yan. Hala, mabot na dito. So, pasok muna tayo, guys. Hey, guys. So, grabe. Ang lakas ng... Oh my gosh. Lakas ng ng kulog. Oh my God. Na medyo, when the thunder hit, napaw. Namatay yung ilaw. Oh my God. So scary. I don't know if you can see, guys, pero ang lakas ng rain outside. And my stomach aches so much. I've been to the toilet for like 6 times already today. Oh my God. Parehas kami ni Maui at saka ni Miguel. We're having diarrhea. Oh my jeez. Wow. Grabe. Ang lakas ng I'm gonna sit here. Lakas ng ng ulan outside, guys. Grabe. Wow. White background. So, yun, I'm so tired. I feel so weak kasi nga I've been doing a lot of trips to the bathroom or to the toilet today. And I think I'm going to call it a day. Yeah. Because I wanted to rest but I'm planning to do more of editing. But let's see. But for now, I'm going to say goodnight to all of you, friends. Yeah, bukas na naman. And I hope you had a wonderful and a great day today. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!